Welcome to Module 4 of Introduction to AI Tools for Teaching and Learning. Today we'll focus on practical ways educators and learners can use generative AI, then shift to crafting clear classroom policies that encourage ethical, effective use. Used well, Gen AI can streamline research and prep. Tools like Perplexity, Elicit, Cite, and Research Rabbit help surface papers, summarize abstracts, map related authors, and spot emerging themes. You can also use ChatGPT or Claude to clarify a research question, compare frameworks, or draft outlines, and then verify sources yourself. Treat outputs as starting points, not finished scholarship, and be mindful that many tools require paid access. Gen AI can also support course design. You might brainstorm measurable outcomes, align assessments, and sketch inclusive learning activities, generate images or short mnemonic lyrics for slides, or draft rubrics and checklists. Consult instructional designers in the process, and remember AI should enhance, not replace, their expertise. For communication, AI can help you refine tone and clarity in announcements, feedback, or emails. Keep authorship transparent. Use AI to suggest phrasing, then revise so the voice is yours. For feedback support, ask a model to make comments more actionable, encouraging, or inclusive. When summarizing meeting notes or long documents, remove personal identifiers before pasting text and verify the generated summary. Gen AI can also assist with planning. You can have a model break complex projects into milestones, anticipate risks, or draft timelines and checklists. Consider privacy, cost, and policy implications before adopting any tool in your workflow. Students have legitimate uses too. Consider incorporating live class demos to model strengths and limitations. For example, have an AI tool summarize a table, then share with your students and critique what the AI summary missed. Now let's talk about policies. Begin with your scope. Consider your learners' discipline, modality, and institutional rules. Align with existing academic integrity language, then add course-specific guidance. Keep your goal in view. Reduce risk, clarify appropriate versus inappropriate use, and support equity. Expect to revise as tools evolve. A living policy is easier to update than an institution-wide statement. When drafting, include plain language examples of allowed and disallowed use like brainstorming versus drafting. Specify how students should disclose or cite AI use. State consequences and decision paths, referencing institutional procedures. Require process evidence where appropriate, like prompt logs, drafts, revision notes, or brief oral defenses to make learning visible. Create an action plan for yourself, how you'll review a flagged submission, what feedback you'll provide, what documentation you'll request, and when you'll escalate. This helps you test whether your policy is actually enforceable and fair. Collaborate with colleagues, instructional designers, and governance bodies to align expectations across courses, and consider inviting students into policy discussions to build buy-in. Your tasks for this module: review sample institutional and classroom policies, then draft a course-level AI policy of your own. Complete the knowledge check, and in your reflection, note what you'll allow, what you'll prohibit, how students will disclose AI use, and how you'll handle suspected misuse. As tools change, your policy may too. Keep the focus on learning, transparency, and equity, and let AI be a thoughtfully used assistant, not the author of your course. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this module.